When I started my YouTube channel, I had 0 views, 0 subscribers, and honestly, 0 idea where to begin. But I had one dream: to get monetized fast. Step 1. Clarity. The first thing I learned was don't post random videos. Pick one niche, like tech, motivation, education, or vlogs. When people know what your channel is about, they stay. Step 2. Consistency. Then I promised myself one video every 2 days. No excuses, even if my views were low. I kept posting and improving. Step 3. Content quality. I focused on better lighting, clear audio, and simple editing. Because people don't just watch your video, they feel your effort. Step 4. SEO and thumbnails. I used the right titles, tags, and keywords so people could find me. And I made eye-catching thumbnails. Bright colors, bold text, clear faces. Scene 6, Step 5, Audience connection. Every comment I got, I replied. Every new subscriber, I thanked them. That built a small, loyal family. And guess what? Within a few months, I hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. YouTube sent me that golden email. Congratulations, you're now monetized. So if you're just starting, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Be consistent. Learn daily. Because the faster you grow, the closer you get to your dream. If you like this method of teaching, then please subscribe to YouTube Classroom channel.